that time again. T and Mo off the grid.
Yeah, baby.
Okay, so I found this phonograph. It's a Columbia phonograph. It's an old one, like from 1900s or something. And I thought I was going to make it work. I found these old gears and stuff. They were just greasy. And I had to pull that out. So I even pulled out the air box and removed all the guts. And I found someone that wanted to buy it, and I sold it. I mean, I was only in this whole thing like $20 and recouped all my expenses on the spare parts. And didn't look back. I thought what I'm going to do is refinish this for a nice piece inside the house. It's got beautiful wood, and the top, boy, when I started sanding it, look at the grain. It has some interesting design, and it sanded down. It was a real bear to sand. It took a lot of lacquer or something on there. And once I got it sanded down, what a relief. Then it was time to start putting some stain on there. I decided to leave the inside like this. You can see the original logo and such in there, and my intent is we will be putting a phonograph inside there with Bluetooth adaptability, and then on the front I took out the old adjustable pieces and we're putting in a screen, so it kind of has a finished, more modern look, and the sound can protrude from there while it's inside playing that phonograph. And then I drilled out the back and for a electrical plug, and then I thought, hey, why don't I put this original handle back in, even though it doesn't run anything. It might be kind of fun for the grandkids to play with. I mean, who doesn't like those old-time handles on the side? It just looks neat. And so I put a little bushing in there, and it turns real nice, so it kind of has that kind of faux finish like it's original and everything. And now, once it's done, there it is. It's in the living room, and it just looks fabulous. We put some poly on the outside so it has a shine, and you know what? It sounds amazing. And that's it, our old phonograph.
For more off-grid projects, home and auto do-it-yourself projects, and survival tips, please subscribe to our channel. T and Mo off the grid.
Yeah, baby.